Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the founder and main tutor of Train Locksmiths Limited. We've been a family-run company since 1986. Our 5-day locksmith course is designed for students who initially only require the locksmith skills and knowledge without the need of a locksmith accreditation. This course was primarily designed for students coming from companies or students wanting to do locksmithing as a sideline trade without the intention of setting up solely as a professional locksmith. Within this 5-day course, you will cover most aspects of the house, industrial and commercial industries, which will allow you to conduct over 70% of the required services. These include gaining entry techniques, repairing and replacing locks, identifying different styles of doors and locks, and fitting locks from scratch. In addition to this, each student will receive a locksmith manual, tool bag that retails at £600, accreditation, business plan and support services. For more information, please visit trainlocksmiths.co.uk.